Hey guys, what's up? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started with this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to know. So with that being said, guys, this is going to be another Forsage update. You guys should already know I'm already documenting this for my journey. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired. I just got off of work. It's 2:30 in the morning. So if I'm not as bubbly and you don't feel the energy and the love in this video, I apologize in advance, but we are going to dive into the computer so that way you guys can see my progress, and so that way I can document my progress. And if anyone is interested in joining Forsage, hit the link in the description. It's ginger.forevereth.com. And if you guys just want more information about Forsage, you can go to that link. And if you're not interested, cool, don't go for the link. Just, watch my journey. It's cool either way. Listen, it is what it is, right? So let's dive into the computer. Let's see what's going on. All right, guys, so let's log into my Forsage account. Okay, so here we are. So today I actually got another person to sign up. Well, I didn't get them to sign up. They signed up on their own. Let me get that straight. Because like I told you guys, I ain't trying to recruit nobody. But someone signed up under me today. So now I'm at $129, and that's 0.525 ETH. So you can see they bought slot 1 and slot 2 and X3. And they got slot 1 and slot 2 and X4. So yep, so I got $68 in Forsage X4, and I have $62 in Forsage X3. So yeah, that's basically all I got going on right now, guys. Just one referral. That's what's up though. I'm excited. And excuse me tonight, guys. Like, I am tired. I'm going off for 2 hours of sleep. Literally, like only 2 hours of sleep. I didn't get that much sleep yesterday, so I'm tired. So excuse me if I don't have any energy. So let's see how many people are in Forsage today. 527,461. Woo! It's growing, guys. And today, in the last 24 hours, 12,237 people has joined. So as you guys can see, this platform is definitely growing. And let me see if I got enough to buy another slot. Let's see. I think I'm going to name this kitty. I think I'm going to name you Max. Okay, so insignificant funds. Really? I'm literally like $2 short. All right, cool. I'm going to get another slot tomorrow then. That's crazy. All right. So with that being said, guys, this is basically what's going on with my account right now. This is going to be a short video because I'm tired and I want to get some sleep. So with that being said, I hope everyone has a great night, great afternoon, morning, whenever you're seeing this video. And like I said, if you're interested in joining Forsage, be sure to hit the link in the description, ginger.forevereth.com. If you want more information, go to that same link. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.